Yes, folks, welcome again to the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel where we do our food and different stuff. So now that the boiled dumpling is fully cooked and the squash is cooked, we're gonna turn that off. Back again. Alright? So now we're gonna get the mackerel. Mackerel is already cut up. So now we're gonna get into this. And we're gonna pop the mackerel in. And because it's fish, it don't take long to cook. So that's why it's going in last. So yeah, get that out the way. Clean up as we go by. Yeah. So now that mackerel is in, okay, let that cook for a little bit more. And like I said, I don't like the consistency of this. The coconut, I don't like the coconut from the store, the ones in the tin. I rather to have the coconut, which is the I like to have the coconut, which is the hard shell coconut. Break it myself, grater it, and then make my own coconut milk. And then I could add some a bit of the coconut trash in it for creating that good custard in it. But this didn't go as I wanted it to go, but it somewhat turned out near dear. Yeah, so yep, got that. We're gonna let that cook down for a bit. That back in the middle of the fire, and then let that cook down. Alright, so when this is done, we're gonna come back and we're gonna plate it out so you can see, food. Alright, then we're gonna have tasting with it right there too.